Welcome for lifers. I'm Bosch. I'm back with this month's Slam Crate, brought to you by Elite Crate Unboxing. This is for March. These are bi-monthly, so you're not seeing me as often as you were with the previous Wrestle Crate. Say I let the beard grow out, the hair grow out. I'm sweating. Cheyenne didn't tell me that my hair was fucked up again. Fuck you, Cheyenne. I'll do that shit again this Saturday at the big event. Especially if I'm meeting a female, I'm gonna kick your ass in the parking lot. And I'm gonna have mittens touch you. Alright. So here we go with the unboxing. I know WWE has a tendency to show these online beforehand, but here we go. I've already seen a t-shirt Seth Rollins wore on Raw a while back before he got hurt. So this is the Seth Rollins shirt. It's a great shirt. Architect Seth freaking Rollins. Alright, what is next in this Wrestle Crate? Okay, well, this is pretty cool. Another metal die cast. Put it next to my Cena over here. Pretty cool. Alright. Collect all 4. So, there are a few more coming in the next couple of Wrestle Crates. I'm still contemplating if I'm going to keep it or not. But we shall see. What the hell is this? Is this some sort of oversized fanny pack? This is a fucking oversized belt fanny pack. This is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. I don't even know what to say about this thing. Guess you can keep your gimmicks in here. I don't know. It's a WWE title fanny pack. I'm gonna walk around the big event like this, like the rest of you douches that spent $300 on a fucking belt. And anything else in here? It's a card, aluminum. Let's see. Oh, these are trading cards. We have John Cena, Charlotte Flair, the Queen, Kevin Owens, and a card for the app, which we are on. You can trade with us, Cheyenne and myself. Alright, anything else in here? This is the Attitude Era WWE Championship pin. And throw it over here with the rest of my pins on my computer. That's it. Alright. A little underwhelming, but... Well, this is not underwhelming. Hey. Charlotte the Queen. Oh, this is actually a badass poster because I was there and actually took a similar picture. I like this one. Anyways. That was this month's Wrestle Crate. Let's see if I have another one in 2 months, but check us out. We'll be back this weekend recapping Fastlane, the big event, Raw, SmackDown, Road to WrestleMania. This is the last pay-per-view before WrestleMania, so when you're listening to your podcast, you're listening to it for life. Legit.